A new coronavirus strain, first found in South Africa, has now arrived in Wisconsin.
New at 10, Stephanie Haynes reports it is more contagious and it could be resistant to the vaccine.
A second COVID-19 variant has emerged in Wisconsin, and health officials say we can't let our guard down. State health authorities haven't said where they found the second COVID-19 variant, B.1.351. The variant was found in South Africa last year, and research shows it may be more contagious, just like B.1.1.7, the UK variant. To date, officials say there have been 26 cases of the B.1.1.7 variant and now one case of B.1.351.
This is obviously very concerning because, we've heard about it for the last several months, and to hear in other predominant parts of the country, now we have it in our own backyard.
Dr. LYLE is the CEO of the Gerald L. IGNACE Indian Health Center in Milwaukee. He said this is why he keeps telling patients, even when they get vaccinated, that they must continue to wear masks and social distance.
Until we truly know the true effectiveness of all three of these vaccines that are out now, we won't really know for months how impactful these new variants will be.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services writes, quote, preliminary evidence suggests that the Moderna vaccine may be less effective against this variant, but studies are ongoing. Officials and doctors like Dr. IGNACE stress the vaccine is still a major tool in the fight against the virus.
When we do call individuals and say they're eligible for the vaccine, they're almost elated. And once they do come and get their vaccine, you can just see the relief come off their shoulders.
Next week, the Indian Health Center will have vaccines available for all enrolled tribal members and descendants ages 18 and older who live in Milwaukee County. We'll have more information at TMJ4.com. In Milwaukee, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.
News of the new strain comes as the state reached a new milestone in the fight against coronavirus. 1 million people in Wisconsin now have at least one dose of the vaccine in their systems. Going in depth, there are now more people who've completed the vaccine series than those who have tested positive for the virus. The state health department says more than 572,000 people have received both doses. 566,000 cases have been recorded since the beginning of the pandemic 1 year ago.